This video will explain how to use Interlibrary Loan to request articles, books, etc. from other libraries. Current students, faculty, staff, and administrators have access to all of the Bjork Library's resources, but there may be times you need a resource that's not in our collection. Interlibrary Loan is the resource sharing solution to get you those items. From the library's homepage at stockton.edu/library, there is a quick link to Interlibrary Loan below the search box and hours. The library offers two sharing services. The main Interlibrary Loan, also known as Iliad, is a worldwide service. Its superpower is providing quick turnaround time of full-text articles and book chapters. It can also supply resources in other formats like whole books, dissertations. Palsy Easy Borrow is a regional physical book lending service. We will cover Easy Borrow in another video. Click Interlibrary Loan and log in with your Stockton credentials if prompted. If this is the very first time you access Iliad, you will be presented with a profile form. Add your phone number, your status, your program, and submit. Iliad is now ready for you to use. This is the main menu. You will log in here to download articles that come in for you. They're under the View button. Here is a completed transaction, and you can download it. Under New Requests, you can enter a citation manually if you need to, but in practice it is rarely needed. Most of the time, you will be able to request articles while you are searching in FlashFind or in one of our databases. In this search, I have an article here that does not appear to be online. When this happens, you will usually see two links. There is a Check Google Scholar as a last attempt to get some free full text. There is no PDF link here in Google Scholar. You go back to FlashFind and use Request from another library. This triggers the new request form. It pre-fills all of the fields based on the citation. All you need to do is hit Submit at the bottom, and it is now a pending request, and the library will work on obtaining this article for you. When it is ready, you will get an email with the link to log into Iliad and download your item. If you do request physical books with this service, you will pick them up at the Access Service desk. If you have questions, please contact the Interlibrary Loan Department at extension 4350 or at this email address, or just ask at the Library Access Desk on the first floor. Happy researching!